Hello everyone, welcome to part 81 of Laravel 10 series. In this series, we are creating the e-commerce website in Laravel 10. From this video, we are going to start working on making our Laravel e-commerce website dynamic, like dynamic home page. Everything will come from the admin panel. Okay, so first of all, we're going to work on the home page banners. We are going to make these banners dynamic so that these banner will come from the admin panel. See, few videos back we have done the banners module in the admin panel. You can we can able to search this banner module. Here we can see that we able to add one slider banner also, but now we are going to add the other banners also, like these three banners we are going to add with the links, and also we are going to add these four fixed banners in the admin panel, and then we are going to display these banners from the admin panel. Okay, so let's add the other banner as well. Okay, so I'm going to open this one, what we have done so far in banner controller. Okay, where we are adding the banners. This is the script of adding the banners. Okay, I'm also going to open the add edit banner as well. Okay, so here you can see the slider and fixed banner, and if we click on add banner, see one of the banner we have already added, and fix 1, fix 2, fix 3, fix 4. This means that it's fixed for this one, fix 1 2 3 4, but I think we must remove this fix 1, fix 2, and we can make it common fix. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one fix. I will just make it like this, and I'm going to remove this one. Okay, and then we are going to see that how we are going to manage this one, because these four banners are having the different sides, so you need to upload the banner of the same side. Like this banner must be of this side, this banner must be of this side, because it's spacing also like this. Like if I will open the index.blade.php file, and you can able to see these are the banners, and here you can see this, you can see the col lg5. Here you can see the col lg7, then again col lg7, so then again col lg5. So it means that col lg5 takes less space, then column lg7 takes more space, then again more space, then less space. Okay, so we can't change this, but we are going to add the condition for this one. Okay, so here we have done that minor change in add edit banner, just one slider and one fixed banner. First of all, we are going to add the other slider banner as well. One banner we have already added. You can see that this banner we have already added winter collection. We are going to add here the winter collection. I'm going to add here the winter collection. Okay, though winter collection does not exist any so far, but we in future we are going to create one winter collection as the winter is approaching. Okay, so here I'm also going to add the link winter, and I'm going to make the sort option like one. Okay, so I'm going to add the another banner image is required, though I have already added the image. Okay, so see here, if the banner image is already added, then we must ignore it. Okay, here, if the banner image is not coming, then it must not show any kind of such error. Actually here the issue is here. So we must do that thing like we used to do in other modules as well. We need to add the condition here, if id is empty, then this condition will work, and if id is not empty, then this then some other condition will work, like this one. If it is empty, then it's okay, this one. Else it will not ask for these option. Okay, so or we can just do like this. Okay, now I'm going to try again once again. Okay, I'm going to refresh here, and here I'm going to add slider. Then it's fine, the banner is fine. Okay, and I'm going to make the winter collection here, winter collection. Then here winter collection once again, winter one. Click on submit. Okay, so some other issue here, because here we need to add this one inside this. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, do Control Shift R, Command Shift R in Mac, and now this time it is done. But here it updates the banner. Okay, banner image, it updates to empty, but I don't think that this one is required. Okay, so now we need to update once again. I'm going to add the image this time. Winter collection image. I'm going to search for this image. Where is this image? Here, this banner image. Desktop. Okay, I'm going to search in my that folder, this one, side makers eShop template. Okay, so here images, banners, yes, this one. I'm going to add this one, submit, and now it seems to be fine. Winter collection, fine. I'm going to add the another banner, and now once again slider, and this time I'm going to add this one, and this one is for the women collection, women collection as well. Link we are going to give women. Second, click on submit, fine, and one more we are going to add, and this time I'm going to try to audit it. Okay, let's see. If we click on submit like this, then what will happen? See, it's working fine this time. Okay, so another one we are going to add, slider, and this time the last one, this one, t-shirt collection, t-shirt collection. See, one thing I want to tell you, like if you will not add anything, then it may show you this error. So we need to update our database. We need to allow the null uh, for the optional fields. Okay, so I'm going to add the null for the optional fields, and here this is a project 10 banners. Okay, I'm going to allow the null for the optional fields here. Okay, like for link. Okay, null is fine, it's fine. For the sort option, for the type, it's fine. Link, title, alt, yeah, for the sort as well. Go to allow as well. Okay, so we can also allow 0. Okay, so here sorry, command shift R, continue. Yeah, this time we able to add. So see, all three slider banners have been added here. Okay, I'm going to add here the link as well. Okay, I'm just testing it. Okay, so it's fine. I'm going to add the link as well. T-shirt, I'm going to make it 3 like this. Okay, so it's fine. And now I'm going to add the fixed banner, and this time I'm going to select the fix here, and banner image, I'm going to add here the banner image fix banner 1 like this, fix 1. And then title of the banner, I can check from the banner itself that which banner it is. Okay, fix banner. Here you can see the new collection, so I'm going to make it new collection here, new collection, in title, in alt as well. Here I'm going to add here new, and here I'm going to give the sort number 1. Then another fixed banner I'm going to add here. You can see the fixed banner has been added. Okay, so I'm going to add another fixed banner here, and that is this second one, and I'm going to see that which fixed banner it is, and so that it is some kind of offer. Okay, some kind of a Black Friday sale. Okay, I'm going to write it like offer or sale, simply like sale. Okay, here sale, and here sale I'm going to give, and then sort option 2, submit. And the another one I'm going to add here, you can see the fixed banner has been added, and there are 2 more fixed banner that I'm going to add from the enemy panel. And now I'm going to select the third fixed banner. Okay, and I'm going to check what is the third fixed banner here, and I'm going to check this banner. It's the men fashion. Okay, so I'm going to give here the uh, men collection. I'm going to give like the men collection. Okay, like women collection is the men collection, and here also I'm going to give the same alt. Okay, that is for the SEO alternate test, and then the men I'm going to give the URL like men, and this one is the third sort option, and finally the last one, and I'm going to add the last one, and that is the again once again fixed banner. This last one I think new Ravels. Okay, I'm going to add here the new Ravels. Once again new Ravels, then new Ravels, and link will be new, and sort option is for submit. And now see, we are able to add all the banners from the admin panel, 2 3 slider and 4 fixed banner. Okay, now we are going to display this banner at the front end here. Okay, right now these banners are static, but we are going to make these banner dynamic. Okay, so let's update these banner, and now I'm going to open the index controller that we have added in last video for displaying the home page. Now we are going to add here brand model, sorry, banner model, and also we are going to create the variable for the fix as well as the slider banner. Okay, so first of all I'm going to add the banner model, use app models banner. Okay, so now here I'm going to add uh, home slider banner, banner, and here first one is the type slider. Type is slider in this case, and make sure that only we are going to select the active, where status is status of the banner is active. Okay, and see sort option is there, so we are going to use the order by, starting from the sort ascending order, like banner with the first sort number will come at the first position. Okay, ascending like this one. Okay, now get to array, get to array. Okay, we want it added like this. So another one, home fixed banners. Here type is fix, rest will remain the same. Now we are going to return the arrays of these banners to the our blade file with compact. First one is home slider banners, and the next one is home fixed banners. Okay, so now we are going to include this one in the index.blade.php file. Here you can see the static banners right now, but we are going to make these banners dynamic. Okay, so the first loop is here, we are going to add the first loop. Okay, so here I'm going to add the I'm going to add here first loop, and that is for each this home slider banners as dollar slider banner or banner only. Okay, so these two I'm going to remove here, and for each, so I'm going to give here the correct path, front images banners, and here I'm going to like this, and I'm going to remove this one, this static, and other I'm going to add here slider banner, and then image of that banner. Okay, so it will come like this. So I'm going to check once that whether the slider banners comes automatically, and here you can see these slider banners are coming dynamically from the admin panel. So here these are the slider banners. Now we are going to add the links title of these banners as well. Okay, so I'm going to add here, see, do it like this. So here the title of the banner will come. Okay, so I'm going to add here the title. I'm going to copy this one, this array, and I'm going to paste it here, and here the title of the banner will come, and here we are going to add the link also. Okay, link of the banner will come up here. I'm going to copy once again and we'll add here for the link of the banner. Okay, link. And also we are going to add the alt we can add here only. Okay, and there is no other space for adding the alt. Okay, because alt comes in the image tag though. Okay, but we are going to add it here like this. So everything we have added from the admin panel, and you can see that winter collection show up now. Okay, this next one is uh, here I'm going to close this one, women collection. Okay, and the third one is t-shirt collection. If I'm going to click on this one, you can see it is going to the t-shirt link that we have added from the admin panel, but still the page does not exist. When the page exists, when we will work on the listing pages, then this page will get exist and then the URL will start working. Okay, so now we are going to work on the fixed banners, and for fixed banner as well, we have already added this home fixed banner, and now we are going to add the loop here. Okay, so this time we are going to add loop, but the loop will not work because here you can see uh, for the first fixed banner, this one, uh, and the second fixed banner, the spacing is different for the different fixed banners. Okay, so here we need to do in one more way, like if the fixed banner first, for the fixed banner first, we are going to add here like the if in case the fixed banner first exists. Okay, if it is coming, then we are going to add its details here, here 0, then image. So here going to add it here. Okay, and if, and here I am going to add uh, I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it here like this. Okay, and in the same way like we have done here, the other option will also come like alt, and title will come here, link will also come up here. Here we are going to add the link, and title also, we are going to add the title here, or in link itself we are going to add the title, link itself, and here I'm going to add the title. So now I'm going to refresh, and the first one is coming. This one is for the fixed banner one, but its image is still not coming, and we am going to check its path here. It must be correct. See, front images banners. So front images banners, I'm going to correct its path. Front images banners, it now it must work. Okay, first fixed banner, yes, it's working fine now. Okay, so now like this I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste it for the second fixed banner, then third fixed banner, then fourth fixed banner, but its div will remain the same. We need to add this condition for all these four fixed banners. Okay, I don't want to add any more fixed banners, but if I want to add more fixed banner, then we need to add the for each loop here. I will remove this condition, will add the for each loop, and here we are going to make it same, like call md6 call md6 call md6 call md6. Then at that case your fixed banner must be same, of same size, like up till here the first banner, then here second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, it automatically comes. So I am according to the design I am updating this one. Otherwise you can make update in the design, you can create the same fixed banner, then you can do in for each loop. Okay, so but right now the for each loop will not work because we have the different divs. Okay, different divs having the different sizes of div. So that's why, so that is the issue here. So that's why we need to do it in this way. So here this home page one, we can do it like this home page, like, okay, one, after this the another fixed banner will come up here like this. if, then here once again, and if, and here I'm going to add the fourth one. This is the fourth one. Sorry, I think it's the third one. Sorry, 0 fine, then 1 fine, then 2 it is. I'm going to make it 2 for all these. Sorry. uh, so now 2, and after that 3. Okay, because array start from 0, that's why, and now 3. So all the 4 fixed banner will come from the admin panel, and you can able to see these fixed banner are coming from the admin panel. But here you can see the height is more than the width. I am going to check out that whether it is of correct size or not. I'm going here in our project 10, public, public images, front images, banners, and I'm going to check sort by date added, use groups, and group by, then again date added. Here you can see these are the today banners, and here we can see the change in the height. Okay, you can see, but I need to see that why it is updating height. I don't want to make any change in height. Okay, so see, if the height is same, then see, there is some change in height. I want of the same height. So let's see how we can see. We can see the banners here of different sizes. See, its height varies, but in download folder I want to see, yeah, it heights vary. So that's why, like, if height is same, then it will not show any kind of spaces here. Okay, uh, so actually its height is we can make its height same in the admin panel, though we can resize the banner. Okay, or we can check the height, exact height. We can just simply repeat this banner. Okay, I think if we will repeat this banner, then it will then this space will not come. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to resize the images, these two images with the same image size. Here you can see the 1268 into 890. Mm, this is the size, but here you can see 890 into 890. But why its height is more than this one? Width and height, and I'm going to check. It's in get info. Its height is 890 into 890. That's fine, and its height is for 1268 into 890. So height is fine. See, height seems to be fine, but here it is showing in some other. I'm going to inspect it. So what I can do here, I can simply first check this one here by reducing its height. I think this is the first one. This is first one. Second banner. Second banner is this one. Yeah, this one is the second banner. So what I'm going to do here, that I am going to reduce its height here. Okay, style height. Just I am testing. I'm going to make its height like 500 pixel. I'm just testing whether how it looks. Okay, so there is you can see that there is some other. Okay, so in div it is actually coming in inside the div, so that's why. Okay, so now I'm going to undo, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it like MD5. Okay, I'm going to check it like this, and now I'm going to make same like this one. I'm going to make it same like this, and now I'm going to check. Yeah, now you can see now there is uh, it seems to of the same height. Now I will increase its width, but it is not increasing. Width is not increasing like this, but its height is now same. You can see it's of the same height now. Okay, so okay, so in the same way, I'm going to make it like 5, and here also 5 5 like this. So if the height and width is same, then it will look like this. So what I can do here, I can make it 6 6, and then 6 6. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be perfect now, and now we can even use the for each loop. Okay, so so that we can add any number of banners. So we can use the for each loop here. I will start the for each loop here, and then I'm going to end the for each loop here, and for each. So let's see, and now all these I'm going to remove these three divs. It make our task even easier. Okay, so now we can add any number of fixed banners, and here I'm going to make it home fixed banners like this, home fixed banners as slider banner. Okay, then here I'm going to check with the slider banner. It will come like the slider banner in the same way like it is coming there. Okay, so here just we're going to check like the slider banner is coming. I'm going to check with its image, so I will just check its image is coming. Okay, like if image is coming, then we are going to update everything. So here this thing we are going to update like this. Okay, so let's see now if it will work fine. 4 fixed banner is coming. Yes, 4 fixed banners are coming now. Okay, now it looks perfect. Okay, so you can add any number of fixed banners, and now fixed banners as well as these ladder banners are coming dynamically from the admin panel. And this time we have used the for each loop, one for each loop for the slider banner and one for each loop for the fixed banner, and we have not used any kind of size. You can admin can able to add any size images, but make sure that the size will remain for all these fixed banner, otherwise the this design will get destroyed. Okay, design layout will get destroyed. Okay, so make sure that the slider as well as the fixed banners must be of the same size, and we can also give the sizing here as well at the time of add banner. Okay, here we can display the fix as well as the slider banner sizes as well. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work on the navigation bar. We are going to work on the menu items. Okay, we are going to make these categories and subcategories dynamic, so please stay tuned for the next video. And after that we are going to work on other things as well. We will display these products from the admin panel as well, from the product section. Okay, so one by one we are going to make everything dynamic in our Laravel 10 e-commerce website, so please stay tuned. And if you have any queries, you can surely contact me, and do subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.